This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Linda Bowen-Hughes. Enjoy beautiful mountain views and country comforts in this spacious manufactured home of more than 2,500 square feet. The unrestricted 1.14+/mostly level corner lot offers plenty of privacy with lots of gardening opportunities. Brand new heating and AC system, range, refrigerator. Private well, shed on concrete pad, level driveway with turnabout, ramp into home, easy access to town. Excellent location close to restaurants, shopping, Lake Chatuge, Brasstown Resort, and Young Harris College. Large main bedroom and bathroom west/attached private office. There's so much space. Must see to appreciate. For more information, review the